Does anyone else have a friend that will FaceTime you wherever they go? Like, it doesn't matter if they're going to a wedding or if they're on the toilet. They'll still FaceTime you. But what's funny is you'll answer the call and be like, what'd you FaceTime me for? And they'll be like, oh, no reason. This is a dangerous thing to do though, because I've been on FaceTime before with someone in this situation and they were cooking. But because they were paying more attention to the call than what they were actually doing, they forgot to take their pizza out of the oven. And when he remembered, he sprinted to the kitchen to go take it out and literally the whole room was smoking. When he opened the oven, that pizza was darker than a white girl after a spray tan. But the most funny part about it is he made sure to prioritize showing me the whole event unfolding rather than actually getting the smoke out. I need